Hi, welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. This button, this riveted on button, has pulled out of my shorts. It's riveted on, and that's why I think we can fix this. So I'm going to take a close look at it. I couldn't unscrew it. Here it is. But I'm going to drill it out, and I think we can replace this with a pop rivet that has a substantial backing that's going to last a lot longer. The problem with this, there's very little backing and it just pulled right out. Let's take a look. So the rivet that's in here I think is aluminum. So I'm going to punch a pin here to direct the drill bit, and I think we'll drill this flat piece out and then punch it through. Let's take a look. So I've got it in the vise with some nice soft jaws so it won't deform it. And I've got this center punch. There, I made a nice indentation there. Now we're going to drill it out. So I'm using a 5/32 inch cobalt bit. It's very hard. Yep, there it is, came off. Okay, I've got a backer board. And I've got it in this small clamp, small vise. There it goes, look at that. Of the rivet in there, right there. So good. Now I'm just going to flatten this out and try a pop rivet. Just flattening the inside of this out. Then we'll re-drill it to give us a proper diameter for the rivet. So I'm checking with the drill index, and this is 1/8. So we need a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill the hole so we can put our rivet in. This is the rivet I selected. I think it has a long enough shank that it's going to work for us. So let's get a 1/8 inch drill bit. All right, we're going to drill our 1/8 inch hole. There it is. Ended up being a little larger than that, but that's okay, because we'll have a nice backing for our rivet. So to get a better purchase on this, I'm going to add a washer, which gives it a much larger surface area to grip to. So that when we put it in, it's going to basically give us, that'll be the rivet when we do that, when we place it. Okay, here we go. So this is going to go to the back of the pants. We drilled that hole so it'll fit. There it goes. So there's the rivet now. And we're going to anchor that rivet. We're going to use our rivet gun. So far so good. This is where it gets really hard. Okay, here we go. Boom. Check it out, it worked. So there's that fantastic backing. There's that connector. So we're able to fix it. Wow. Hey, so if you found this video useful, please click thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Consider subscribing. Thank you.